Maluco.
Joga Jaluku! Joga Jaluku! What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Lower your... Okay, you're not learning too quick. Alright, watch your head. God. Hey! Stop doing...
Seis nervoso. Ei! Urso.
He's got like 10 French fries in his mouth. Have another. How many French fries can you eat? Have another. Oh, he dropped one. Come get this one.
Good morning, baby boy.
Buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck, buck.
What you doing?
What you doing?
What you doing?
I'm checking you out. You're screaming. Why are you screaming?
So it's the middle of the day. I replaced all this grass this morning, and these guys don't give a shit that I'm here, or that it's daylight and they're nocturnal animals, or that I have a dog that's been barking all day. Okay, it's 83 degrees this morning, and Tim's going on the walk with the dogs. Leading the way as usual. And he loves taking me for runs. He eats lots of snackies on the way. And then Tim watches the dogs get their water break. Whee! Oh no, I'm so sorry. No. a run again.
Sounds made by a sleeping noodle.
Now go ah.
Get over here. Right here. What the hell did you do? No, this is your mess. No, you've already had enough.
Way better live.
It is, wow, that song's fun to say. Holy moly, did you see that guy?
Don't, but like, you have to be so still.
Steven! It is 7:55 in the morning. It is Friday though.
Get him, Theo. Oh my god. Who's this coming into my home?
Pretending to eat vegetables in front of my bearded dragon.
No.
Come on, Betty. This way. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
Get a pet velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun,
That's really my whole ass.
Steven.
Buddy! There he is. Hi. Oh, everybody's coming.